although I'm not saying hindi lang I should be a lawyer, but mas bagay kasi kung lawyer na naitulong daw sa Congress. Although I'm doing this part of this endeavor, I'm in a private practice. If ever that I'm going to magiging 28 tayo, at this is the better that I will meet in a public office, public service. But I do believe that I can do whatever the function or the duties of of a congressman if ever that I will do. So, ilang sabi, being a lawyer, it is an advantage. Tama, ibig sabihin.